Ever found yourself tossing and turning at night? Your mind racing with thoughts and worries? What if I told you that you could train your mind to switch off and prepare for restful sleep with just a few simple changes to your night routine? In this video, we're exploring how to prepare your mind for sleep by creating a calming and effective night routine. Quality sleep starts with a peaceful mind, and by incorporating these practices, you'll improve your sleep quality, reduce stress, and wake up feeling more refreshed. The importance of mental preparation for sleep. Your mind plays a crucial role in how well you sleep. Stress, anxiety, and racing thoughts can keep you awake and disrupt your sleep cycle. By learning to calm your mind before bed, you set the stage for deeper, more restorative sleep. We'll delve into how preparing your mind can lead to improved sleep quality, better mood regulation, and overall well-being. Establish a relaxing pre-sleep routine. Begin by creating a wind-down period, at least an hour before bed. This is your time to disconnect from the day's activities and start signaling to your brain that it's time to relax. Avoid stimulating activities or engaging in work-related tasks during this time. Instead, focus on unwinding and transitioning from a busy day to a restful night. Mindfulness and meditation. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation practices into your evening routine. Techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Spend a few minutes each night practicing mindfulness. This can help clear your mind of clutter and ease you into a state of calmness. Reflect on positive aspects of your day or things you're grateful for. This shift in focus can promote a more peaceful mindset and improve your overall mood before sleep. Create a sleep-inducing environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains or a white noise machine to create an ideal sleep environment. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This routine helps regulate your internal clock and makes it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Maintaining consistency. Upgrade your home workouts with my Top Gear picks. Check the description for the best HIIT mat, workout guide, gym equipment, and more. Click now to transform your fitness routine. Consistency is crucial when it comes to preparing your mind for sleep. By sticking to your night routine, you'll help train your brain to recognize these signals as cues for relaxation and sleep. Track your progress and adjust your routine as needed. Everyone's needs are different, so find what works best for you to achieve optimal results. Now that you have the tools to prepare your mind for a restful night's sleep, it's time to put these practices into action. A calm mind leads to better sleep and a healthier, happier you.